Greetings, fellow traders. Baldwin here, time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, October the 12th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check through left off the market here today. So SPX was green a little bit earlier, then now down about $10 again, about the same as yesterday. It's kind of whittling away. Inside week. Green month still, but daily chart, guys, back below the 80 EMA, not good at all. That 43.50 level was very important to hold. We ended up closing right at it, but again, could be an interesting overnight session tonight in the futures. Let's take a look at the Elliott wave count right here. So again, this wave four is kind of starting to wear itself thin. At this point now. We can kind of still, technically it's still valid until the 786, and it got really close to that here today. We'll see how that holds going into tomorrow. If this continues to break down, we could probably assume that this is a 1-2 and we're in a larger wave 3 move. And again, we've been catching short moves, moves on the short side today. Today was a little bit choppy. But again, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into tomorrow, maybe to invalidate that wave 2 move. Then we'll see if we get a move down, and then we might start to see a larger wave 3 down, which is a very possible outcome. SPY. Again, volume just has been a little bit blah here. Again, we ticked a little bit above yesterday's volume here, and again below the 80 EMA, so it's definitely something to keep an eye on here as the trend and the downtrend continues. S&P futures, take a look and see, so I can show you guys how choppy today was. Again, another responsive trading day today. Again, mostly these levels again couldn't break above the top of the megaphone today. It kept on overshooting it down, right, and then we ended up dropping here into the close. MES, in terms of geometric lines to keep an eye on tonight, I would just kind of look at this right here and see how this holds. Going to tonight, we'll take a look at that on the live stream later. Let's see with the Qs. Qs again, big drop to close today. Again, I think it's got some negative news after hours on Apple too, or at least towards the end of the day. So IWM below its gamma flip level. XLF earnings coming out, I think tomorrow, right? JP Morgan Wednesday. We've also got Fed minutes tomorrow too. So let's see what JP Morgan, how they kick things off. The VIX. Again, perking up right here, not quite over 20, but this thing could pop at any moment. Apple, down after hours, or at the end of the day after hours here too, with some chip shortage news saying delaying some of their iPhone stuff, right? So that's not good, because that's pretty much what Apple does these days, right? They make iPhones and earbuds and all that stuff, right? So Apple, just Tesla, just a choppy grinder here today. Really kind of not much going on there. Big drop at the end of the day. But again, Apple being down on that could definitely weigh heavy on the market for sure. Bitcoin getting dropped here heavy. Is there some news that came out on this? Goodness gracious. Wow, we're seeing some massive selling on Bitcoin right here. Okay, well, big drop right there. That's a nasty candle on that one there. So I'm not sure. Let me double check my news. Let's see what we got. White House target inflation. Microsoft Teams having issues. Apple having issues. I'm not sure, but there may be something going on with Bitcoin. So anyway, keep an eye on that. Very interesting move right there. Nasty drop. Facebook, a couple names that are on the radar today. Facebook hit our swing target right to the 200-day moving average and bounced off of it. So nice move there. BABA, a lot of folks have been looking at this one right here. Again, this was Paul's radar this week, right? And so we got a nice push up here initially and a good move there. Sophie on a lot of folks' radar. If you guys are long on this one, it may still have some upside follow through on that. Strong candle yesterday once we broke over yesterday's high, still looking good. CCJ, big breakout candle on this one. Again, uranium back in the spotlight. MGM, speaking of spotlights, MGM with a big move today, and then the IBD adding it to their list. So that had an upgrade this morning. IBD was interested in it, so just a hot name today. Possible pause day here on Amazon under the 80 EMA. Looks a little bit weak. Shop. Also, double pause day potential here on this one. We pointed this out after the dark cloud cover candle on that one. Chewy, again, I like the outside day with increased volume on this one, but still under the 80 EMA, but has some potential. And Upstart with a little bit of a breakout candle today with increased volume. So a couple names to keep on the radar. But anyway, guys, we'll see you on the live stream tonight. Bring your chart requests. Still and stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.